Inspired by the fact that you never know if there's someone inside the bathroom when the door is closed. And sometimes it might be good to have a more explicit indicator of that, as well as the popular kids show, Blue's Clues. I decided to come up with that explicit little sign and call it Lou's Clues. It is right here. Now, if I connect my Elegoo to a battery source, as so, supposing I have the motor coordination to do that, the first thing you will notice is that the sign defaults to the green light being on, which makes sense since we don't expect people to be in the bathroom always. And then, when we go into the bathroom, we toggle the button, and now there's no one in the bathroom. Sorry, now it's not available for someone to use. It's currently occupied. Do not come in. And if we toggle it again, then it's free. Now, I will show you the circuitry behind this prototype. Oh boy. If I can. Yep, here we go. So, it's quite a simple circuit. Here we have 5-volt connector in red. This connector goes to the power bus and to a switch, to a push-down button. This push-down button remembers 2 user control states. And how does it do that? Well, it connects to a wire here that is representative of this white wire. It goes into the pin number 7, and that that notices whether the button is pressed or not. Meanwhile, this yellow wire comes in from pin number 5 and powers the yellow LED depending on the state of the system. And this green wire connected to pin number 4 connects here to this gray wire, which I wanted it to be green, but there was no green wire of that size, and powers this green LED. Now, these LEDs are obviously connected to ground via a 220 volt resistor, 220 ohm resistor. And our button is also connected to ground via a 10,000 ohm resistor. So this is how our circuit looks. I tried to pack it all together here so that I could put the sign on top without greater issues. And this is also why I put the resistors. This is why I made them go down like this, so that I could actually put the sign on top and have this function as a sign itself. Well, now that this is done, we can always disconnect our Arduino, at which point the circuit turns off. Perhaps we would like to do that during the night when we know no one's going to be in the restroom. And then when we start it up again, it defaults to green, as follows. So here I've turned it off, and here I have turned it back on. Powers up in no time.